What's up guys, welcome back to another video. More of a relaxed day today. We're gonna start off by making some breakfast, and we don't have much planned on our cars, but my boy Michael is coming over and he's bringing over his 350Z. We're gonna test fit some new mirrors that we have. If you guys remember, we were dabbling into selling JDM parts and we still have a couple parts left over. We have some Aero mirrors for the Z33s, so we're gonna be test fitting those. We wanna show you guys his car because he dailies that thing and it's pretty much drift ready and it's stupid clean. I still don't know we're saving money by making our own breakfast.
There we are. Think about it, what we spend for all this food, like if I would buy something, you would buy something, he would buy something, it would be like, probably like 50 bucks.
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Orange juice is getting expensive, my boy.
Look.
Had to switch it up to that Sunny D. That's for you, bro, after breakfast. I normally don't drink coffee, and I don't even consider this coffee, bro. This is just a sugar drink. Someone crashed into my Tahoe. Forgot to tell you guys. I wasn't even in the car. I was in the driveway working on my dad's car. Big ass truck decided to drive by full speed, 40 miles an hour in a neighborhood. Boom! Hit the mirror, cracked it, and right now it's at a body shop getting repaired. So they gave me a rental. Honestly, I used to bag on all the new Nissans, but this thing, super comfortable to drive, not gonna lie. I slammed my rental car. Oh. Why not, fool?
What's up, buddy?
What's up, buddy? And the Hydro? Woo! I need to learn how to do donuts.
That'll be different though.
I know, the ice is kind of weird.
Like,
yeah, because when the power kicks in, huh?
Then it's just like...
Once we powder coat everything, it's going to look a lot better. Say that to everybody.
I like that it's the beige shaped, but it's not like...
Tubbed?
Yeah, like tubbed and like super shaped.
It's just like original
like,
body lines.
Yeah, just some body lines just keep like... That OE flow.
Most of the wiring, at least for the engine's done.
Oh, good. I haven't seen the color in person, so...
A lot of people like it. It's like a Nardo, huh?
Yeah, but it's got like a green tint to it.
This thing's never gonna get touched, bro. I got a number to a sheet metal guy that can make us a custom plate, and just him making the plate and forming it for us, and then us welding it. It's a lot easier. But the rest of the stuff's coming out really good. I got a custom oil pan from the S54. Harper Fabrication. It took them like 2 months to finish it up, but finally here. Not like I needed it anyways, but it's nice.
Something to get though.
Yeah, I know. So I'm just slowly stacking up parts for that car, but that's just gonna take forever to build. So our main focus is getting this thing done, getting my IS ready to get retuned. Yeah, you could have angled it a little more, but it's fine. Damn, fool, is that an HR, dog?
Can I say? 07's the best.
I don't believe it, bro.
Ready for this crazy ass intake setup?
That GTR intake Plenum or what?
How do you know?
Why the fuck you lying?
Hell yeah, fool. You fucking liar, bro.
DE, baby.
DE the world, bro.
That's the only way. Best engine.
The DE is even better than the RB, bro.
I believe it.
Think about it.
It's pretty much the fucking motor from the R35. It's just a different manifold.
If you really think about it, bro, this shit made just as much power as an RB, boosted.
See, I just slapped a turbo on it. Fucking GTR.
Bro, best thing ever made.
GTR.
How long has this shit been burning oil for?
9 years.
And it still hasn't blown up, bro.
Still hasn't blown up.
You don't even do oil changes, you just top that shit off.
Hey, you saw it. The car does the oil changes for me. Maintenance plan.
You haven't even done a Plenum Spacer.
Yeah, it's got a Plenum
Yeah?
Spacer, just intake and then exhaust.
And it was tuned before, right?
I have a little Cobb that came with the car when I bought it.
That's crazy, because does Cobb still make them for these cars? Discontinued, huh?
Yeah, it's discontinued, so it's like... I feel like it only works on my car, because I had a buddy, like when I first got this car, and we tried uploading it on his car, and it didn't work.
I think it's because once you upload it to a car, it locks it in.
Yeah, I think so. So, it's got a little baby tune on it.
Damn, bro, that's just discontinued. This should rare as
I have
fuck.
the dyno sheets, too.
Yeah?
It says it makes like 280...
No way,
wheel,
bro.
I swear to God, it's probably a Mustang dyno.
What I like about these is they're a lot torquier than the HRs. You raced an HR, remember?
Oh, yeah.
But then again, my boy Rilo, he had to work on his shifting skills then. Yeah, because this made 240.
So this was base run?
And then the max power it made was 282.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, this shit's burning oil because the rings are bad, but when you add oil, the pressure goes up.
This baby right here.
Z33, baby, right here. Ready? Don't die. If you guys are familiar with the IS300s, Get Japan likes to sell these mirrors branded under Be Free. And it says Be Free right here. And I was able to import these myself, not only for the IS300, but for the Z33s. What are these replicas of?
Bomex.
So we're gonna be trying these on. And what I like about these mirrors is they have the metal bases. And these are pretty much all the same. I think they just swap over the bases and just cut it to fit. If all you Z33 guys want these, I can import them, just sell them on the website. These things are massive compared to them. I feel like it's really gonna flow because the Z's are bubbly.
Yeah.
They're super round.
It's kind of like a bunny.
I had them on the IS300, made a video long time ago. And the thing about the IS300 is it didn't really flow with the shape, you know, it was just too small. But with this car, I feel like it's gonna look good. So we're gonna be test fitting it. Hopefully you can see out of them because on my mirrors, the Gannies, garbage. We got a build one, dude, with a 1JZ or an LS.
Stock motor, fool.
The the world, huh? I like how you kept everything super like OEM minimal.
Yeah, it's
Because yeah, you have the Hydro, which is super sick, the PBM Hydro, the pink ones, because they really stand out in this car. But you have the OEM wheel, and then this bucket that I bought from you, and then the same day you decided to buy it back, piece of shit.
Hey, that day I learned if it's not broken, don't fix it.
You remember, right?
Yeah.
Did you go me?
We painted the back of it.
Yeah, you helped me, huh?
Yeah.
Look at it, we painted that. We bought it from Michael the same day after we painted it. He's like, hey bro, like, I get the seat back?
You probably opened the seat. You can tilt the steering wheel.
Damn, fool, you look good in this thing. Put one in your truck. Let me find out this fool bought TEs. This is bumper. I don't know. This was never had a bumper.
SLs are bad.
You don't like SLs?
Fuck no.
Why not?
They're weak as fuck.
No, they're not, bro. The OGs are even weaker.
Are you serious?
Yeah. That's what happens when you buy cracked wheels, buddy. You painted it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not me.
I'm gonna rate it.
Not me.
No, I'm gonna rate it. The paint job is nice.
No, you can't.
Like the reflection is good, but there's a lot of like defects around the edges.
This color's probably expensive
It is.
because of the metallic. You spent $150 on material plus labor, or that wasn't with labor?
No, it was $500, and then
$500 to spray this?
yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Fool.
Serio, fool? $500?
Okay.
No promise.
It was.
To me, fool, bought me a case of beer.
Fool, he got down on the roof wing.
That shit does look good, not gonna lie. That OG sticker. These are the mounting spots. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be cutting the bolts so we don't have to cut into the back of the mirror. So everything fits flush because those bolts are gonna be hitting the mirror. It's just this trim, huh?
Yeah.
Someone will most likely have to just cut it. Like it really flows with the car.
It look nice if like getting them color matched.
Yeah.
The only thing that sucks about those mirrors is hard to look out of, like when you're trying to back up or something.
That's the thing with these
Watch, get in the
cars.
car and then I'll adjust it.
Bro, you can't see shit. Bro, you can't see anything.
It's like a Ganondorf, bro. Non-existent anymore,
Not
bro.
existing. I'm just gonna be like, huh?
Yeah, you can't even see the mirror,
Bro,
fool.
I've only-
They look good. They don't fit good though. They have fitment issues. I feel like we could fix it, but it's not something that we can fix right now. We'll probably have to grind some stuff down.
Or you put it in, it pushes this out.
This is our first time test fitting, which is good that we did do a test fit on a real car because now we know how they fit. Some adjustments may be needed. We're not responsible for any damages that may occur to your vehicle.
Let's pick up the IS and slide it.
No, bro. I'm gonna go pick it up and you're gonna slide it.
Slide it into a fucking tree.
I crash it, I buy it.
I've been wanting to make a video having all my friends drive my IS300,
Here we go.
but I want to do it after it's tuned.
Bro, I can't see shit at these mirrors.
That feels pretty good, huh?
It's not the fastest, but
The fast food feels good.
it feels good. I love EQs. Everybody hates, but you know.
Think we should get one now,
I
Danny?
know we should. Well, not right now, we're broke. But like hypothetically in the future, this should be one of our next builds. Those are real mirrors right there, boy. I don't drive this thing enough. It gets mad at me.
You gotta drive it more often, bro.
I know. The thing is, I don't know if I could do pulls right now on it.
Should be fine.
The first time it started good,
Yeah,
bro.
that's what I was gonna say.
Sick. Oh, I got both of them.
No way.
This thing needs to be on 85 for sure.
It's definitely comfortable.
Yeah, for sure it's comfortable. That's how I kind of set it up. But the thing is, like, the drive shaft clunking, you know, diff clunking, stuff like that. It's like, do a first gear. It's making more power than it should right now, bro. We should probably not fucking drive this thing right now. You know, gunshots, bro? My God. Yeah, you're shifting early right now.
Honestly, it feels good though. Like
this is good power.
Like it's just instant. It's like it feels reliable. You know, like
yeah,
it's
exactly.
fun enough. You know, but not like stupid crazy. All these
like you can't, especially with these tires. Like it still grips. It felt good. Like it felt really good. I was like, bro, we could not be driving this car right now. Did you hear the gunshots?
Oh yeah.
We ended up giving Michael the mirrors for being so generous to bring that Z over here. And honestly, that Z is so clean. The last time I think we filmed it, it was orange. It has a hydro and it's just tapped into the rear brake setup, so he's not even running a dual caliper setup. He used to slide it and he dailies that thing and it drives really good and it's reliable. So honestly, Z's and G's are good platforms and they take the abuse for how much shit, you know, we talk about them burning oil and, you know, they have their fair share of issues. It's just lack of maintenance. And even with Martin's G35, he beat the crap out of that car. It's boosted. I gotta order some stuff for the IS. For sure. We set up the boost controller, right? Well, obviously it's not tuned yet. So what we did was I just bypassed it. And for some reason, I think there's a vacuum leak on the wastegate because it feels a lot faster, which is why I told Michael not to beat on it. All right, so the next video, we're gonna be working on the FRS and we're gonna be
installing dual caliper FDF angle kit.
But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you guys on the next one.